beauty through the first things first. I'ma say that you're waiting for me. I'm tired.
Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to fix the garbage disposal. It's not working. All you hear is a humming noise. Here we go. That humming noise. So basically you got little junk on there that's stuck. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So basically that's the garbage disposal. You go down in here. Okay. You're going to need a little L wrench like this. You're going to have to put it in here right in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's dark. Right in here. Just move it sideways. There you go, sideways. And then we'll unclog your garbage disposal. So let's turn it on now. There it goes. It's working. But if you don't hear a humming noise on your garbage disposal, there's a little reset button at the bottom of the garbage disposal. Press that and then use your L wrench to unclog your garbage disposal from the bottom and then start to work. Just like that. Alright guys, thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, subscribe. I'll be putting a lot more videos in here about different kind of stuff. Later on I'll put some fridge, stoves, dishwashers, appliances, plumbing, everything. I will start doing all those little by little. I'm just barely starting. This is barely my fourth video. So just bear with me. Thank you. Bye.